And welcome back to the BHI DSP noise cancelling speaker demonstration video for you. And on this second video, looking at single sideband, we'll start with some utility frequencies. First of all, here's New York Volmet, or New York weather broadcast for aircraft on 13.270. Got a nice signal, not bad at all. 5 and 8, peaking 5 and 9. Mind you, they're running a bit of power. I'm using my off-center fed dipole, which is actually quite resonant on 14 megahertz, so certainly not at all bad for using for reception on this particular band. Now we have the same signal through the BHI speaker. A little bit more body to it. I'll let that run for a few moments, then I'll switch the noise cancelling in. And we'll switch it out again. And back in. It's still on the third level of noise suppression that we used on the first video, which equates to 6 dB reduction in tones and 13 dB reduction in white noise. This is the same station but on a different frequency, same transmitter site, 6.604. Quite a bit of local noise on this one as well. In fact, if I just tune away from the frequency, I've got about an S6 to S7 noise floor from local interference. Let's put the noise cancellation on, just see how it helps. Again, to my ears, I think that makes a worthwhile reduction in noise. Another weather station, this time it's RAF Volmet weather station, broadcasting from here in the UK. Again, a little bit noisy. Let's try it with the noise cancelling. Still a bit noisy, but it's certainly doing a very, very good job. And I'm actually listening on a 5 megahertz dipole as well, so it's making the best of quite a noisy band this evening. Now I've got another weather station, this time Bangkok in Thailand. Very, very noisy. Let's try it with some noise cancellation. Not a brilliant signal, but certainly a lot more audible. I'll just try switching between antennas. Less signal, but I've got less noise with it. I'll just switch the noise cancelling off again. I've actually tried to turn the noise cancelling up on this one. It's actually onto level 4, so working a little bit harder. Finally, let's have a look on some amateur frequencies. 40 meters has got some European stations at the moment. There's an Italian station calling CQDX here. As you can hear, not a bad signal, but it's very strong, bit of background noise. Let's try some noise cancelling. We've certainly managed to reduce the background noise. When he's not talking, you can hear the level of noise. That's noise cancelling off. And back on. Finally on 40 metres, another quite noisy frequency down towards the lower part of the band. Certainly readable, but let's see if we can clean it up a little bit. It's on level 4 now, which is 8 dB noise reduction, 15 dB of white noise reduction. Switch it off again. And back in. Well, I hope that helps. It's not expensive. I'll leave you to peruse the website. I'm certainly not advertising on their behalf, but it is a very good piece of kit. Very pleased with it. Works well with a budget radio such as the IC718. Hope you found this useful. I shall now do a little bit of listening, I think, and any useful comments about the videos gladly received. Take care, and 7-3 from Mike 0 Romeo India Fox.